The night hums low in velvet tones. Moonlight tiptoes on silver toes. Stars wink secrets, soft and bright, practicing peace in the quiet light. The sky exhales, awe, slow and deep, teaching busy hearts how to sleep. Thoughts untangle, clocks forget. Tomorrow waits, but not just yet. Crickets scribble lullabies. Owls hold wisdom in wide-eyed sighs. Shadows dance but mean no fright. They bow politely to candlelight. The dark's not empty. Oh no, it's kind. It tucks in the edges of the mind. Dreams queue up in playful lines, wearing costumes made of signs. So rest your worries, loosen your grip. Let calm do a moonlit backflip. The world slows down, feels just right. Hush now, you've arrived a peaceful night.